As we age, one of the first things many people notice is a gradual weakening of the legs. Climbing stairs becomes harder, standing up takes more effort, and long walks start to feel like a challenge. This decline isn't just about aging. Much of it is due to muscle loss, poor circulation, and nutrient deficiencies that can sneak up over time. But here's the good news. You can take action starting today. One of the simplest and most powerful ways to strengthen your legs and regain mobility is by making smart choices in your diet. The legs are home to some of the largest muscles in your body. They carry your weight, keep you balanced, and help you stay independent. So when they get weak, your risk of falling, injury, and losing your independence rises. That's why it's so important to support leg strength from the inside out, starting with what's on your plate. Certain foods are packed with nutrients that directly feed your muscles, reduce inflammation, improve blood flow, and help your body repair and rebuild. In this video, we'll explore 5 powerhouse foods that every senior should consider adding to their meals. These aren't rare or expensive superfoods. They're simple, everyday options that work wonders when included regularly in your diet. Whether you're already noticing a drop in leg strength or simply want to stay strong and active for years to come, these foods can make a real difference. Stick around to learn how each one helps strengthen your legs, improve your mobility, and support a healthier, more independent life. You might be surprised by how much the right foods can do for your body, starting with your legs. Salmon is one of the most nutritious and supportive foods for muscle health, especially important as we age and start to feel our legs getting weaker. Many seniors notice that activities like standing up, walking, or climbing stairs become harder over time. Often this isn't just due to getting older. It's because the muscles, particularly in the legs, begin to shrink and lose strength. This process, known as sarcopenia, can start as early as your 30s, but becomes much more noticeable after 60. One of the best ways to fight back against this is by eating foods that directly support muscle repair and reduce inflammation. And salmon fits this role perfectly. What makes salmon so powerful is that it offers both high-quality protein and essential healthy fats called omega-3s. These two nutrients work together to rebuild and protect muscle tissue. When you eat salmon, you're giving your body a complete protein source. That means it contains all the essential amino acids your muscles need for growth and repair. A single serving of salmon, about 3 ounces, delivers roughly 22 grams of protein. That's a solid amount for older adults, who often don't get enough protein in their daily meals. And without enough protein, your body struggles to maintain the muscle you have, let alone build new strength. But the benefits don't stop there. Salmon also contains powerful omega-3 fatty acids, particularly EPA and DHA. These nutrients are known to reduce inflammation throughout the body, including in the muscles and joints. Inflammation is a hidden enemy of muscle health. It slows recovery, contributes to soreness, and interferes with muscle growth. Omega-3s help fight back against this, allowing your muscles to repair more efficiently after activity. Studies have even shown that older adults who consume more omega-3s tend to have better leg strength, improved walking speed, and better physical function overall. Another reason salmon is so helpful for the legs is its role in supporting blood circulation. Good circulation means that oxygen and nutrients are delivered to your leg muscles when they need it most. Poor blood flow, which is common in older adults, can leave the legs feeling cold, tired, and heavy. But the healthy fats in salmon help keep blood vessels flexible and promote smoother blood flow, which brings more energy and strength to your lower body. Adding salmon to your routine doesn't have to be difficult. It's a versatile food that can be baked, grilled, broiled, or added to salads and soups. Even canned salmon can offer the same muscle-boosting benefits as fresh fish. Try to enjoy salmon at least twice a week to see noticeable improvements in your strength and energy levels. If you're not used to eating fish often, start with small portions and simple recipes. A baked salmon fillet with a bit of olive oil, lemon, and herbs makes for an easy and delicious meal. Salmon also gives you a bonus in the form of essential vitamins like vitamin D and B12. Vitamin D is critical for muscle function and bone health, while B12 supports your nervous system and energy production. These are both nutrients that tend to be low in seniors, especially those who spend less time outside or eat less animal protein. Getting more of them through salmon is a smart and natural way to support overall mobility and energy. If your legs have started to feel weaker or you want to stay ahead of age-related decline, salmon is one of the best foods you can turn to. It works on multiple levels, feeding your muscles, improving blood flow, reducing inflammation, and giving you the energy to move confidently. A few servings each week can make a noticeable difference in how strong and steady you feel. It's a simple habit that can help you protect your independence and keep you moving with confidence. Spinach is often thought of as just a healthy green, but its benefits go far beyond general nutrition, especially when it comes to leg strength in older adults. As we age, maintaining strong, responsive leg muscles becomes essential for balance, mobility, and everyday tasks like walking, rising from a chair, or stepping onto a curb. What makes spinach particularly valuable is its natural nitrate content, which plays a direct role in improving muscle function and physical performance. Nitrates found in spinach are converted by the body into nitric oxide, a compound that helps relax and widen blood vessels. This process improves blood flow throughout the body, including to your leg muscles. Better circulation means more oxygen and nutrients are delivered right where they're needed, allowing your muscles to work more efficiently and recover faster after activity. For seniors, this can translate into less fatigue during walks, greater endurance while standing, and a noticeable boost in physical confidence. Beyond circulation, spinach supports muscle efficiency on a cellular level. Research has shown that people who regularly consume nitrate-rich vegetables like spinach may experience improvements in muscle strength and performance, even without changes in exercise routines. This makes spinach especially valuable for older adults who may have limited mobility or can't engage in intense physical activity. Just by adding spinach to your diet, you may begin to feel more energy and strength in your legs during everyday movements. Spinach is also packed with magnesium, potassium, and iron, three minerals critical for muscle health. Magnesium helps your muscles contract and relax properly. Potassium prevents cramping and supports nerve function. Iron ensures that your red blood cells can deliver oxygen to muscle tissues, preventing fatigue and weakness. These minerals work together to support strong, functional leg muscles and reduce the risk of falls or imbalance. Adding spinach to your meals is simple. It can be eaten raw in salads, blended into smoothies, sautéed as a side dish, or added to omelets, soups, and casseroles. Even a small serving several times a week can provide benefits over time. For those who prefer variety, baby spinach is milder in taste and easier to chew, making it an ideal option for older adults. If fresh spinach isn't available, frozen spinach retains much of the same nutrient value and can be stored for months. Making spinach a regular part of your diet is an easy and effective way to support leg strength and mobility as you age. By improving circulation, supporting muscle function, and supplying essential minerals, spinach does more than just fill your plate. It strengthens your foundation. The difference may not be instant, but over weeks and months, your legs may begin to feel more stable, more energized, and more capable of supporting the life you want to live. Greek yogurt is a simple yet powerful food that can play a big role in keeping your leg muscles strong as you age. Many seniors begin to notice their legs getting tired more quickly, feeling less steady, or even cramping more often. These are signs that your muscles may not be getting the support they need to repair and stay strong. One of the easiest and most effective ways to give your muscles that support is by including high-protein, nutrient-dense foods like Greek yogurt in your daily routine. What sets Greek yogurt apart from regular yogurt is its higher protein content. Protein is absolutely essential for muscle maintenance and recovery, especially in older adults. As we age, our bodies become less efficient at using the protein we eat, which means we actually need more of it to support the same muscle strength. Greek yogurt typically contains double the protein of regular yogurt, often around 15 to 20 grams per serving, making it an excellent choice for feeding your leg muscles. Every time you move, whether it's a walk through the neighborhood or standing up from a chair, your muscles experience tiny strains. This is normal, but they need the right fuel to repair and grow stronger afterward. Without enough protein, your body can't complete this repair process, and over time, muscles begin to shrink. Including Greek yogurt regularly helps reverse this process, providing your body with the amino acids it needs to rebuild leg muscles and maintain mobility. Greek yogurt is also rich in calcium, a mineral that's vital for keeping your bones strong and your muscles functioning properly. Strong bones and strong muscles go hand in hand, especially in the legs, which support your entire body weight. Calcium helps your muscles contract and relax smoothly and supports better nerve communication, so your legs move when and how you want them to. This reduces your risk of stumbling or feeling unsteady on your feet. In addition to calcium and protein, Greek yogurt provides vitamin B12 and probiotics. Vitamin B12 supports nerve health and helps prevent the weakness and fatigue that can come from a B12 deficiency, something that becomes more common as we age. Probiotics, the healthy bacteria found in yogurt, support your gut health, which in turn helps your body absorb nutrients more efficiently. When your digestion is working well, your body is better able to pull the protein, calcium, and vitamins it needs from your food and deliver them where they're needed most, like your leg muscles. Another benefit of Greek yogurt is how easy it is to add to your daily diet. You can enjoy it on its own, mixed with fruit, stirred into smoothies, or even used as a creamy base for dressings or sauces. It's a convenient option for breakfast or a light snack. And for those with smaller appetites, it delivers a lot of nutrition in just a few spoonfuls. For added benefits, look for plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt to avoid added sugars, and choose varieties with live active cultures for maximum probiotic support. If you're lactose intolerant or sensitive to dairy, many brands now offer lactose-free Greek yogurt or use methods that make it easier to digest. There are also high-protein, plant-based yogurt alternatives on the market, though they may vary in nutrient content, so it's important to check the labels. Over time, including Greek yogurt as a regular part of your meals can help your legs feel more energized, balanced, and capable. It's a small addition to your diet, but one that delivers big results in strength, stability, and overall health. For seniors looking to stay active and independent, it's one of the easiest dietary habits to adopt, and one of the most effective. Sweet potatoes are a comforting, familiar food, but they're also a secret weapon when it comes to keeping your legs strong and energized as you age. Many older adults experience tired, cramping, or sluggish legs, especially after walking or standing for a while. These symptoms often come from a combination of low energy levels, poor circulation, and muscle fatigue. Sweet potatoes directly support these issues by providing your body with exactly what it needs to fuel muscle performance, reduce cramping, and maintain endurance. One of the biggest advantages of sweet potatoes is their rich supply of complex carbohydrates. Unlike sugary or processed foods that cause quick spikes and crashes in energy, complex carbs from sweet potatoes are digested slowly, giving your muscles a steady and reliable source of fuel. When your body has consistent energy, your legs can stay active longer without feeling weak or shaky. This makes sweet potatoes an ideal food to eat before a walk, a household chore, or even a simple trip to the store. But energy isn't the only benefit. Sweet potatoes are also high in potassium, a mineral that plays a crucial role in muscle function. Potassium helps balance fluids and electrolytes in your body and ensures smooth muscle contractions. If your legs cramp easily, especially at night or after light activity, it could be a sign that your potassium levels are too low. Eating potassium-rich foods like sweet potatoes can help relieve these cramps and prevent them from returning. In addition to potassium, sweet potatoes contain magnesium and a vitamin C, two more nutrients important for leg strength. Magnesium supports proper nerve and muscle function, helping your legs respond more quickly and with better control. Vitamin C is essential for collagen production, which helps maintain the strength and flexibility of your joints, tendons, and muscles. These nutrients work together to keep your legs strong, coordinated, and pain-free. Sweet potatoes are also an excellent source of antioxidants, particularly beta-carotene, which gives them their bright orange color. Antioxidants protect your muscles and tissues from damage caused by oxidative stress, a process that speeds up aging and muscle decline. Including antioxidant-rich foods like sweet potatoes in your diet can help slow this process and preserve your leg strength over time. Preparing sweet potatoes is simple and flexible. You can bake them whole, mash them, roast them in cubes, or even slice and toast them like bread. They pair well with both sweet and savory dishes, and they make a great side for lean proteins like salmon or chicken. You don't need to eat large amounts to get the benefits. Just adding a small serving a few times a week can make a meaningful difference in how your legs feel and perform. For an added boost, leave the skin on when cooking sweet potatoes. The skin contains extra fiber and nutrients that support digestion and help keep your blood sugar levels stable. Stable blood sugar means less fatigue and more consistent energy for your leg muscles. If you're someone who feels drained after mild activity or deals with muscle cramps, adding sweet potatoes to your meals may help you feel more supported and energized. It's a natural, whole food way to give your legs the nutrients they need without relying on supplements or processed snacks. With their ability to fuel your muscles, ease cramping, and protect against damage, sweet potatoes are a smart and delicious choice for anyone who wants to stay active and strong through the years. The next time you plan your meals, think of sweet potatoes not just as a side dish, but as a source of strength and stability for your legs. Over time, you may begin to feel more endurance in your steps, fewer aches after activity, and greater confidence in your ability to stay mobile and independent. Eggs are one of the most complete and efficient muscle-supporting foods you can eat, and they're especially valuable for seniors who want to keep their legs strong and functional. As we age, our muscles require more direct support to maintain strength and coordination, particularly in the lower body where stability and balance are key to avoiding falls. Eggs deliver a powerful combination of nutrients that directly support muscle repair, nerve health, and energy production, three essentials for leg strength. One of the most important nutrients in eggs is high-quality protein. Each egg contains about 6 grams of protein, including all 9 essential amino acids your body needs to rebuild and maintain muscle. Unlike some other protein sources that are harder to digest, the protein in eggs is easily absorbed and used by the body, making it ideal for older adults whose digestion may not be as efficient as it once was. Eating eggs regularly ensures that your leg muscles are getting the raw materials they need to stay strong, especially if you're trying to prevent age-related muscle loss. Beyond protein, eggs are rich in wachlein, a lesser-known nutrient that plays a critical role in muscle control and nerve communication. Your brain and muscles need to talk to each other constantly so you can move smoothly, keep your balance, and react quickly to avoid stumbles. Choline helps support that communication by keeping the nerve pathways between your brain and leg muscles functioning properly. This makes a difference not just in strength, but in coordination and confidence with every step. Eggs are also a great source of vitamin D, especially if you eat the yolk. Vitamin D is essential for muscle function and bone strength, and it helps your body absorb calcium efficiently. Many older adults are low in vitamin D, particularly those who spend more time indoors or live in areas with less sunlight. By including eggs in your diet, you give your muscles and bones a much-needed boost that supports everything from standing up easily to walking longer distances without tiring as quickly.